Did you know there's an ancient prayer that no one talks about, that spiritual masters have used for centuries to break the grip of injustice, silence liars, and protect against hidden enemies? Today, we're diving into Psalm 5. And trust me, once you know its secrets, you'll never look at life's battles the same way ever again. Psalm 5 isn't simple poetry. It's spiritual technology, a weapon passed down from King David himself, designed to slice through lies, shield you from violent intentions, and call down divine justice in your favor. This psalm holds power against ignorance, arrogance, manipulation, and even physical danger. And in this video, I'll show you how to use it. Word for word, energy for energy. Stay with me. This might just be the spiritual upgrade your life's been waiting for. Psalm 5 is one of the original psalms written by King David, a warrior, poet, and spiritual tactician. This psalm is titled in Spanish sources as a prayer to ask for mercy in times of trial. But what it really is a shield. David wrote this when surrounded by enemies, lies, and betrayal. Sound familiar in your own life? And it opens like a conversation with the divine. Give ear to my words, O Lord. Consider my meditation. From the very first line, it commands attention from the heavens, not with arrogance, but with sacred confidence. The meaning and structure. Psalm 5 is structured like a sacred courtroom. Verses 1 to 3, David approaches God at dawn, symbolizing fresh intent, new beginnings, and clarity. Use this part in your morning routine to align yourself with truth and purpose. Verses 4 to 6, he declares who God is not a God who delights in wickedness, nor one who tolerates the arrogant. This part isn't just a statement. It's a reset. It reminds you, you're not meant to tolerate lies, manipulation, or flattery. Verses 7 to 10, he shifts from praise to protection, asking God to destroy the deceitful, silence the slanderers, and bring justice to the wicked. These verses are a shield. Recite them when you face court cases, workplace injustice, or hidden enemies. Verses 11 to 12, he ends with divine confidence, proclaiming that those who trust in God will rejoice and be surrounded with favor like a shield. This is the ultimate visualization, being wrapped in divine energy, immune to harm. Practical uses and hidden powers. Psalm 5 is said to contain spiritual force accumulated through centuries of sacred repetition. Its uses include protection against lies and deceit, clarity in legal and justice matters, shielding from violence or assaults, resisting flattery and manipulation, overcoming arrogance, both yours and others, strengthening your faith during trials. In esoteric traditions, Psalm 5 is linked to a magical image used for protection in rituals and meditative practice. And though no direct invocation is named like in other psalms, its power is self-contained. It's a spiritual firewall, best activated through dawn prayer, spoken aloud and charged with intent. Modern application. Think about this. In today's world, filled with misinformation, image obsession, fake friends, and constant comparison, Psalm 5 hits harder than ever. Facing toxic coworkers? Psalm 5. Legal issues? Psalm 5. Feeling spiritually blocked or attacked? Psalm 5. Losing patience waiting for change? Psalm 5 helps you wait with holy confidence. Reciting it daily helps you cut through chaos and hear divine clarity. Pro tip. Write on paper. Keep in your wallet. Recite it every morning before grabbing your phone. It changes the atmosphere in your home, your mind, and your spirit. Now that you've unlocked the ancient energy behind Psalm 5, here's a powerful way to activate it. Challenge yourself. For 7 days, recite Psalm 5 every morning before sunrise. Keep a journal of what changes. Even small signs matter. And if you notice breakthroughs, share it in the comments. Let others witness your story. King David didn't write this psalm from a palace. He wrote it from pressure, from pain, from persecution, but his words became power. And now, they're in your hands. Psalm 5 is more than scripture. It's spiritual strategy. Use it with faith. Use it with reverence. Use it to rise. If this video unlocked something in you, like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss the rest of this Psalms Power series. Next up, Psalm 6, the divine prescription for healing emotional pain. Remember this, the ancient path still works. You just have to walk it. Until next time, stay mindful, keep shining, and be blessed.